Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to prove S is equal to R theta, or you can say S is equal to R theta. In order to prove this, there are two things that you should know before we get into the proof. The first thing you should know is what is 1 radian. Okay, I'll just quickly tell you what is 1 radian. As radian is the angle. Suppose this is the radius r. Imagine we have an arc with the same length as the radius, then the angle subtended by this arc is always 1 radian. So if we have an arc with the same length as the radius of the circle, then the angle subtended by this arc is 1 radian. This is what we should know, the first thing. The second thing we should know is there's a theorem that says, suppose you have a circle here. Okay, let's say this is the center. We have one arc here. Let's say this is arc AB. And we have another arc here. Let's say this is arc BC. Okay, so let's say the arc AB subtends an angle and we call it alpha. Okay, similarly, the arc BC subtends an angle which is beta. Okay, there's a theorem that says that the ratio between the arcs is same. So the ratio between the arcs, let's say AB divided by BC, the ratio between the arc length is always equal to the ratio between the angles subtended by those arcs. So this is the second theorem that you should know. Firstly, we should know what is 1 radian. The second thing is what we should know is this theorem that says the ratio between the arcs is always equal to the ratio between the angles subtended by those arcs in any circle. Now let's get into the proof of the theorem. The proof of the S equal R theta. Okay. Suppose this is the center of the circle here. Draw an arc such that the measurement of the arc is same as the radius. So what is going to be this angle? Obviously, we know that this is going to be 1 radian. Okay, in same way, imagine we have another arc, which is a B arc. And the arc length here, let's say we name it S. And the angle subtended by the arc S, let's say this is theta. Now, using this theorem, we can easily say that the measurement of this arc divided by the measurement of this arc, R divided by S, should be equal to the angle subtended by the first arc, which is 1 radian, divided by the angle subtended by the second arc, which is theta. Now, all you need to do is switch the places for each. I can easily say I'll move S there, I'll move theta there. So in short, I'll just cross multiply them. So it is going to give me theta times r is equal to S times 1. So S times 1 is the same thing as S, right? So here you can clearly see that we proved that S is equal to theta times r. What is S? S is the length of this arc. Theta is the angle subtended by the arc, and r is the radius of the circle. I hope it is clear. And now you know from where have we got this relation. Thank you very much, guys.